Good morning, my dear children. Myself Kalyani Jadhav from Samarpan Gyan School and I am teaching in class of Junior KG. Children, today we are going to learn about animals. But which kind of animal we are going to learn about? Do you know? Today we are going to learn about wild animals. Have you seen the wild animal in zoo? Wild animals lived in a jungle. So here some wild animal is given. So which is the first wild animal? This is the tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Tiger is the largest extant cat species and member of the genus Panther. It is the most recognizable for its dark black color, vertical strips on orange brown fur on its body. So, this is the tiger. This is the elephant. Elephant color is black. They are the world's largest land animal. And there are two species. First is the African and the second is the Asian. This is their trunk, this is their ears, big wide ears, and this is the tail. Elephant most of the time use their trunk suck off water to drink and pluck the leaf, then vegetables, fruits for to eat. Then this is the bear. Bear are carnivorous mammals. Carnivorous means those animals feeding to other animals. It's called carnivorous. Bears are extraordinary intelligent animals. Bears grieves deeply for others. Bears have excellent senses of smell, sight, and hearing. Bears care deeply about family members, the 8 bear species of the world. Then the next is a monkey. Have you seen the monkey in zoo or in television also? So monkey jumping here and there on trees branches. Monkey also have their unique set of fingers just like a human beings. Monkey have a brain that is large for their size and it's a part of the reason why they are so intelligent. They live in a trees. This is the fox. Fox belong to dog family. Fox are small to medium sized omnivorous mammals. What is the children omnivorous? Omnivorous means feeding a variety of food, both plant also and animal also. It's called omnivorous. So foxes have a flattened skull, upright triangular ears. This is a triangular ears and a pointed, slightly upturned snout and a long bushish tail. This is a long bushish tail. The fox is a member of the dog family. Foxes are a little bit bigger than a cat and live up to 14 years. Then a female fox called vixen and the male fox is called dog. They lived in a den or on earth. A baby fox is called cub. Foxes are mostly active at night and foxes use 20 different types of calls to communicate with each other. This is the deer. Deer are the only animals that have antlers. They are the fastest growing living tissue on earth. There are over 60 different species of deer worldwide. A male deer is called buck, but some larger males are referred to as stage. All species of deer have antlers with exception the Chinese. A male deer is called as stag or buck. A female deer is called deer or hen. So this is the deer, and which color is this? This is the brown color, and put a golden dot on its body. Which animal is this? This is the giraffe. Giraffe are the tallest mammals on earth. Their legs alone are taller than many human, about 6 feet. They can run as fast as 35 miles an hour. Giraffe spend most of their lives standing. They even sleep and give birth also standing up. Then what is the next? This is the snake. Snake is a reptile. Snake are carnivorous. Snake don't have eyelids. Snake can't bite food, so have to swallow. It whole snake is carnivorous reptile, and the snake lived in hole of trees and underground the earth. Then what is the next? This is the lion. Lion is a species in the family Felidae and a member of the genus Panther. It has a muscular, deep chest body, short, rounded head, round ears, and a hairy tail at the end of this is the tail. Lion do not need to drink every day, but lion need to food every day to eat. Lion are fantastic hunter, and lion are symbol of strength and courage and have been celebrated through history for this characteristic. They are also common symbol for a royalty and Stanley's hence the phrase king of the jungle. So that is the reason the lion is the king of the jungle. Then what is the next? Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros are the large herbivorous mammals. What is called herbivorous? Herbivorous means those animals eat the food only leaf or plant. So it's called a herbivorous. So this is the rhinoceros is a large herbivorous mammals, and this is the identified by their horn, snout. This is the horn, and this is the black color. What is the next? This is the zebra. Zebra are the part of the equine family along with the horse and donkey. Every zebra has a unique pattern of black and white strips. This is a crocodile. Crocodile have a powerful jaws with many teeth and short legs with clout. So this all are the wild animal Here some practice is given. Look at the picture, circle the wild animal. So here some picture is given. What we have to do? You have to circle the wild animal. So this is the wild animal. Yes, this is a crocodile. We have to circle this. Then this is the watermelon. Is the animal? No, this is the fruit. So we don't have circle. This is the zebra. Zebra is a wild animal. Yes, so we have to circle this. This is the flower. This is the wild animal. No, this is the flower. This is the wild animal. Yes, we have to circle this. This is the wild animal. No, this is the vegetable. So we don't have circle it. This is the rhinoceros. Is a wild animal. So we have to circle this. And this is the pumpkin. Is a vegetable. So we don't have circle it. This is the bear. We have to circle this because of the wild animal. And this is the kiwi. So we have to circle this. No, this is the fruit. Identify each picture and write the first letter of the wild animal. One has been done for you. This is some wild animal. What you have to do? You have to write the first letter of the animal. So first picture is a tiger. So tiger first letter is T. So we have to write capital T and small t like this. Monkey. Monkey's first letter is M. So we have to write here capital M and small m. This is the elephant. Elephant first letter is capital E and small e. So we have to write here. This is the bear. Bear first letter is capital B and small b. Here we have to write. This is the giraffe. Giraffe first letter is G. So we have to write capital G and small g. This is the lion. Lion first letter is capital L and small l. So this is the fox. First letter is F. So we have to write capital F and small f. This is the deer. Deer first letter is D. So we have to write this capital D and small d like this. You will do this.